What's up, guys? Yeah, not such a good news. I've been reading this article on the hackernews.com. Let me explain. So a few days ago, a Chinese security research team find out some vulnerabilities around the onboard computer that all our BMW have, and yeah, that's not a good thing. So I'm gonna go into it. I'm gonna go into this subject pretty quickly and explain what they found and how can we stay safe on this matter. So yeah, that's not good, because we all have computers, we all have let me see here, BMW services, and in here, if you have a teleservice call here or mobile care, on the new versions you'll have like after the NBT you are almost always connected to the internet. So first of all, I want to tell you that all of the models before 2012 are not included in this type of vulnerability case. For that instance, we can all rest assured that for this moment there is no known possibilities for a third party to hack our car. But let's talk about all the BMWs that are after 2012 connected to the internet. So yeah, the security search team has found 8 flaws that impact internet connected infotainment system, 4 flaws that affect the telematics control unit, TCU, and 2 flaws that affect the central gateway module. So which one of them are most important, and which one of them you have to be more careful when you're using? The last one, the CAN gateway, I don't know, that is a pretty safe thing, because you have to own a OBD2 port scanner cable, and the hacker or the person who really wants to do something bad to your car needs to be inside your car with your plug inside there, you know, the OBD2 port, and scan the car, log on it, and steal some access keys. After that, he has entire control of the ECU. This is not the most important thing that they found out. I think we all thought of this on a moment in our lives. We have here ECU, electronic command module, and unit, and I think some smart guys can hack it. But the most important thing is that they had found 8 flaws on the Bluetooth menu, and that is the most dangerous thing, because if you are an experimented hacker and you can connect wireless to the BMW Bluetooth module, that is the big problem. I don't know, from reading this article, I don't know yet if they released all of these flaws on the internet. They said that they will do that on Express PDF in 10 days. So they said that they're gonna leave the most important things out of that PDF, so the dangerous part is left outside. But I don't know, I think that that's not just a good idea to publish some special data like this. BMW acknowledged this situation, and they answered that they will try to sort the things out. Most immediately they will ship a new software version, or I don't know, some software packs for updating your firmware, and they said they will fix this problem right away. Over-the-air Bluetooth connection, it's a very sensitive thing, and I don't know if all BMWs or either one of them have the Bluetooth on when they are stationary. So when your engine is turned off, I don't know if you, and I hope your Bluetooth cannot be powered on remotely, because if your Bluetooth can be hacked, then your ECU will be hacked, and after that it's a matter of time where they can unlock the doors, reprogram here your key, and start your car very easily. I don't mean to be paranoid, but you have to keep in mind that all our cars now from the 2006 generations are pretty much stuffed with a lot of computing power, and it's really important to keep ourselves safe and we can keep ourselves safe by knowing all the things that are in high demand now. So yeah, if you want to read the full article, I can leave you a link down below in the comments. And this is my thoughts on this matter. For now, we can stay safe on the 2012 cars, under 2012 cars, but I think the older the version is, the higher risk of damaging and accessing the ECU you can have. So be aware of who is connecting to your CAN bus port on the service, or you have friends connecting to your car. And don't tell your Bluetooth password to anyone, especially near airports or some places that you can access them very easily via wireless or Bluetooth. Okay, so hope you find this video interesting, or at least informative. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.